How many education providers are there in Idaho? 10? 50? Let's find out together. To answer that question, we'll start at the Transparent Idaho homepage. Hover over the Education Mega menu at the top. From here, you can jump directly into detailed education data, all at your fingertips. Let's click on Education and see what we've got. Here it is, the answer to our question. Idaho has 179 education providers across the state. That's a lot of schools and districts working hard to educate Idaho students. Scroll down and you'll see year-over-year financial data for Idaho's education system. And here's the education salary data. From teachers to administrators, you can see who's earning what across the entire education system. With over 300,000 students in Idaho, knowing how our education providers are spending money to educate our future generation is important. With Transparent Idaho, that information has never been easier to find. Visit transparent.idaho.gov today to learn more.
Thanks for tuning in to our transparency tutorial. If you like to learn about Transparent Idaho, please visit our site at transparent.idaho.gov. And don't forget to follow us on social media and YouTube for more information on government transparency.